Good day mga ka-DIY. Today we're going to review a plunge router from Maxsell with model number MSC-9004AC. Rated input power of 1200 watts. Collet diameter is 1/4 inch with no load speed of 10,000 to 28,000 RPM. Its weight is 3.6 kilograms. Let's open the case first. You need to put the collet and the drill bit of your choice and secure the collet with the included spanner. This is the first time I'm going to use this kind of router. Usually for my previous builds, I've tried to use the trimmer router or the palm router. Before I start to try this plunge router, here are the different parts. Here's the soft grip handle with the on and off switch on the right side. The lock on button also on the right inner part of the grip. The spindle lock button to tighten the collet and the drill bit. Here's the collet. Locking knobs for the fence guide. Dust extraction nozzle to collect the woodwork and dust. Multiple depth set block. The locking lever. The 6-speed variable speed controller, the depth set pole and the depth adjuster. This is the two guide fences and the dust extraction port. Now we're going to start a sample wood piece. First, you need to assemble the guide fence and insert it in the router base. Make sure to secure the guide fence screws so that it will not wobble. Before you start your project, make sure you always wear eye protection and dust mask. Use clamps or any other practical way to secure and support your workpiece. I will try a couple of passes and use this scrap wood as a phone holder. Make sure to make the necessary adjustments using the depth set pole and the depth set adjuster. Overall, this plunge router is powerful, easy to use, and I look forward to learn new pots like mortises, grooves, ladles, patterns, etc.